cold are two best friends that often visit us when we don't want them to. So, doctor, what are the common causes of cough and cold?
Mainly the lack of immunity, one of the reason, and other thing is the environmental factors are there. The imbalance between the body and the environment will leads to such conditions. So when the temperature is very high outside, sudden rain came or a sudden dip in the temperature, uh, the, inside the body it will suffer more. That will leads to cough and cold mainly. So that will help the bacteria and virus to attack very easily to our body.
Yes, so based on these causes, mainly due to the kapha involvement, the cough and cold is produced. So to pacify that, the treatments are of two types, mainly internal and external treatment. So internally, we will be giving medicines like Agastya Rasayanam, Dashamula Rasayanam, then Sitopaladi Churnam with honey, Triphaladi Churnam with honey, and like Kanagasavam syrup like form is also available, and Vasarishtam. So these are all oral medicines which can be advised during cough and cold.
And mainly we want to find the what's the reason for why, which if it is virus or it is bacteria. According to that also we can plan some medicines for that. If it is due to virus, antivirals, we have in Siddha Nilavembu Kudinir are there, which we done good research, research also published in international journal. That is very good for antiviral thing. And at the time of COVID also, we done Kavasura Gudinir. That will also helpful for such thing. And if it is due to some other reason, we want to find out and treat accordingly.
Okay.
Same like external treatment like nasal drops is available. So nasal drops with Anuthylam mainly indicated. So the 4 to 5 drops will be given in each nostrils. So this will help for cold and cough conditions.
And diet is also play an important role for that. We want to take more water. That's the main, because hydration. We can wash out most of the bacteria and virus through water itself. Then the food which improve our immunity and gut health, because these are the first that gut is the first immune system in our body, and mucus also. So to that we want to improve our diet.
Like home remedies we can add on to this, like tulasi leaves we can take and karpuravalli leaves. So like leaves we can chew and we can have. Yes, otherwise we can take juice of the tulasi and we can add 2 to 3 drops of honey in that and we can drink.
And if it is due to sinusitis, we want to plan some treatment for that. And if the nasal curve is there or deviation is there, or some nasal polyp is also there, for that special nasiums and treatments is available.
So during cold and cough, we should avoid the food like curd and cooling food, refrigerated food. So these should be avoided.
And maximum use mask while traveling, because now after COVID is very everybody health is very immunity is very in danger now.
Doctor, what type of preventive measures we can take?
Yeah, we mainly we want to find how our body prakriti is. Prakriti is very important, because if your body is very hot, heat body, so sudden change in the climate definitely, like if you take a hot pan, if you add some water in it, cool water, it will react. Like that our body will react. That reaction is cough and cold mainly. So for such bodies we want to cool the body first. So cooling is very we want to care more, because sudden cooling also not good. Slowly we want to cool it. For that mainly what I told, water is very important. And some oils are there you can apply regularly to cool the body and keep your temperature in a good way. That will help to prevent one of the matter. Then some people have excess kapha in their body. Such people also in this climate it will aggravate. For them, lot of medicine like Balasarvangam is one of the best thing. Then Tippali Rasayanam, Talisadi Vadagam, Talisadi Churnam. Then Shwasa Kudori tablet is there. Shwasanandam tablet is there. Shwasanandam is very good. We can take with the bitter leaf and honey. That will prevent infections, and also it will take all the kapha out. Such prevention is very important.
Yes, the food should be taken like veg soup we can take regularly with added pepper. Okay, pepper powder we can add and we can take daily. And then we can do like steaming, okay, face steaming by tying the eyes, like preventing the eyes. So that with oil steaming we can add turmeric powder, then karpurali leaves, tulasi leaves and rock salt. Then if wanted we can add garlic also. So with these fumes we can do steaming also. Then the food that should be avoided will like a curd and fish, non-veg, then milk and milk products, ice creams, then cooling products. These junk foods, these should be avoided.
Then immunity increasing medicine like Kushmanda Rasayana, Agastya Rasayana, Chavanaprasha. These are we can give to children as a common medicine. If such trigger is there near to your home, then you can plan accordingly also.
Coughs and colds come and go, but with proper knowledge and self care, you can always manage them.